What up, yo? What's up? What's up? Lame intro? Wow. That's how we're gonna start the morning, guys. Already, man. Lame intro off the rip. That's how we're gonna start today.
Oh, that's a fire intro. I don't think anybody else has a better intro than that.
Honestly, bro. NFP stay
All these
sales
guys got
there.
like,
Yo, what's up?
all these guys got like the dubstep intros and shit.
It's.
Come on, man.
Nah, I'm gonna have an intro soon. It's gonna be a stick intro. It's gonna be like more of a video concept thing of like our celebrations. It's gonna be. I have a vision for it. It's gonna have something to do for me. It's gonna be cool though.
Bit weird.
Yeah, it's gonna be like. Yeah, it's gonna be like a mixed, a little like mix of like our church. Like it's gonna be cool. So I guess I'm gonna do it. Alright, so um, what's this? Can you trade with $15 in account? Yeah, you can. You just gotta. Actually, $15 in account, man. I think even at 0.01, you're over leveraging. I think, right? Cause actually, no, you're fine. Yeah, you can do a $15 account. Just you gotta do like 0.01 max, bro. Max, like max. Like don't think you're some, like max. Gotta play Wild Blacks time. I don't know, man. This stream is meant for apparently I put not kids, right? So it's gonna be tough. Okay, now to the GJ. Let's get started. Let's get it. What do you got
Breaking
here?
back into this range here on this candle.
Yeah, I think we're gonna continue down, right? Daily mid top wick, I
Like
guess.
it.
4 hours currently coming down, coming back into range here. Yeah, coming bearish here. Daily, weekly still bullish, but the only issue is like the small type are showing signs that we're reversing. Looks like the day is gonna come down today to like, yeah, I'm looking at like this level right here, right? 140 and 694, and if that level breaks, straight down to like 140.040, right? I think yeah, that's a very strong support here. So I think let's see. Just drop my support level. Yeah, this is very clean. This is much cleaner than yesterday, bro. Very clean. Much cleaner. That's your very heavy support. And it's perfectly sick because the 1 hour, like the way I'm marking up right now, it lines perfectly with the daily like support levels too. Like, on the dot, I can usually have to adjust it, but it's just like perfectly the yellow line. That's a rare occasion. All right. Yeah, this is a very strong support here, guys. Try to adjust this actually. Right. So yeah, once we break this, I'm looking for sells below the support. Actually, no, right now as it coming back into range, actually. We're
Yeah.
actually coming back into range here, guys. Yeah. 1 hour time frame. If you look at this 1 hour time frame, we're coming back into this range here. This is your range, right? If this is your range, yeah, we're breaking back inside the range. High chance we're continuing down back inside the range, trying to continue down to this support here. Damn, this is can I get an entry in? Hold on. How's the 15 look? Oh, 15 just opened up. This is the last 15-minute candle.
I got us a top it.
Fuck, bro. It's already coming
Missed
down
it.
here. It's already coming down here as I was explaining. Yeah, I mean, you might as well just wait for sells below here then. But shit, man. Like, look left. This is a fake out, guys, right? Because you have a range, and then you have a breakout to the upside, and now price coming back inside the range. 85% chance of us filling the range, and a 75% chance of us continuing further down as we break below the support. So, if you miss the sells here, I'll say wait for like this support to break down here to take another attempt of
Catch
sells.
it?
No, I didn't catch this. I might as well wait for the 1 hour close now, cause yeah, when I saw it, it was already coming down. Like, I saw it kind of late.
I wish this was a like a six. Like I wish it was like a fifth, like a first 15-minute candle or something. Too.
Yeah, if anything, you can hold for the 1 hour to create a wick, and then you can just enter off of that. Probably like end up something like this. I mean, if it does this, then it'll probably just be like a retest on a small time frame. Like, if it really closes like this, it'll close up here. Meaning it'll be bullish candle closure in like the 15-minute or something. AKO just on a bigger time frame, on a 1 hour time frame, just be like this, right? And
It's
so
a clean candle to the left.
it just continue down, yeah.
Should just fill this.
If this happens, guys, if he misses entry here, just wait for this candle to close here because yeah, you kind of just missed it here. As this candle just started to come down as we were speaking. But yeah, this is clean traffic, absolute clean traffic. This is a perfect analysis, or not perfect analysis, perfect example of what a fake out is, right? So, yep. If he has it in his sell though, man, you can have a run coming down to like, coming down to like here. That's like 100 pips, coming down to 140.040. So clean. Have you ever cut a trade? No, I'm not, bro. I just mentioned sellers here, but I think I'm gonna wait for 1 hour close here because this 15 minute just started to come down as we were speaking. Alright, so let's see. If we have like 11 minutes left for a 1 hour candle, so you might as well just wait for it. Yeah, let's see. I want the 1 hour to have a nice wick. That would be beautiful. If it closes too low like this, I'm just not gonna enter. I'm gonna just wait for a break below this level here. Enter more sells coming down. But yeah, this is a clean fake out. Clean fake out. I'm expecting this. Alright. Or like maybe like this. Whatever it wants to do. Can't predict the exact counts. You can't predict that level is gonna break, but you know, this is kind of what I'm visualizing right now on GJ. Just come down to this support down here. So I can say this is a target for today. Target if 140.694. Will NFP affect GJ? Not directly, but it will bring some volume in for GJ. Yeah. Yo, Don, give me the wrench. How long have you been in the streams for? Yeah, I got you the wrench. I'll give you the wrench. Hold on. I made 40 pips today so far. Nice. That's clean. GG up, dollar down. Man, if you believe so. If you believe so.
Hey, morning, guys.
What's up? What's up? Where's Jimmy here? Jimmy's not here today, right? He's not gonna show up. He always does this. Always does this.
I don't think so.
Always does this. He's good. He's good. He's good. You know, has a bad day and just tough scenes. 4 hour slingshot setup. Oh. I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, it makes sense. Think about it though. If the dollar's going down, why would GG go up? You know, when dollar goes down, you put the money towards the yen. Yen goes up. GG goes down. Right? GG down, yen up. Right? Because yen's it's JPY. It's XXX JPY, right? So I mean, hey, I'm just that's more of like the fundamental side to it. But yeah, the technical side, I don't know. I mean, hey, if it makes sense, it makes sense, right? Wi-Fi gonna be strong today? I hope so, bro. I hope so. Like it's rare that the Wi-Fi just shuts off like that, but yesterday. But do you ever trade AUD CAD? Yes. I used to trade it, but not as I don't do it anymore. I have it. I lost trading any pair this year. I don't like you guys. I manage one side, partial hedges on the other side. Interesting.
If this 15-minute count goes like this, that would be perfect.
15?
This 15-minute candle close like this, that would be perfect.
Yeah, that'd be clean. Well, bro, if you don't like what we do here, then you can go ahead and just leave the streams. There's no reason to be here, just pissed off, you know. If you're just in here and you're like, and you come in streams like this. You know, and you're just pissed off, like, bro, like you can give yourself a migraine, bro. Just get off the stream, you know. There's no point of just being click on a stream to be like this. Yeah, like, you know. There's no reason to it. A lot of people come in here angry and they act like a patient. They click the stream and go, it's coming like this. They're like someone did something to them, you know? Like, you know, it's a free stream. You ain't gotta come in like this. Oh, bruh. Yo, you see that U30 drop yesterday? Oh yeah, this year, yeah, we had this is yesterday's analysis. We actually had a range here, guys, and you guys understood that how we always, I broke this down many times before, how we had a bullish candle as support, and then as price broke that support, this breaking structure, look how clean that is come down. Look left, your TP could have been like here, or like on a bigger time frame, maybe like, you know, your logical areas could have been like maybe, let's say like maybe like here probably, like at this resistance level. That would been this would have been a sell if I were to try to catch this. I don't know if I would have caught this whole thing though. I don't know if I would have a runner here. I think I would have had TP to like here. But if you guys caught this, beautiful trades. Lovely. Shit. Oh, 1 hour could close with a nice wick. Clip it, lol. I'm not sure you can clip on YouTube, bro. I know on Twitch you can. Well, guys, I have issues with my web yesterday too. Yeah, it's tough, bro. Finish for USD. Yeah, NFP today, guys. Let's get it. Let's see. Is there any other folders though? No. Oh, there is. There is. So, yeah, it's 8:30. US Canadian news. And that's it. Let's look at gold, shall we?
Bro, we need Jimmy on for NFP.
Bro, he's not gonna hop on, bro. You know Jimmy, man. He's not gonna hop on.
Today it could be a bit of a rangy day on GJ.
After the breakout, you're expecting a sell for a buy? Or a buy? After the break, which breakout? This breakout? This? I'm looking for sells in this range. Like, preferably in this range. But if I don't catch a move in this range, I'm probably just gonna try to catch a sell down here. But if I enter the sell in this range here, I'm gonna attempt a runner coming all the way down to the support. Because this is a fake out, right? A fake out up to go down. Or pretty much because price come back in the range here. But high time frame is bearish. I'm expecting to continue further down here. It would just make perfectly sense on the day time frame if you look at it. This is like once you break that support there, just come straight down back to fill the range here. Looking left, you have nothing but clean traffic in this range here. You know, you have price coming back inside this range, coming back inside this range. That's the clean traffic. So expecting it to come down here. 1 hour just has clean traffic as well, right? So we have like 4 minutes left till this candle closes. I hope it closes with a nice wick fill. I'm gonna enter off basically off the 15-minute. I'm probably gonna give this attempt. I'm gonna give this trade attempt 2 attempts. This sell, this fake out. But yeah, if it's just one good trade, then it's one good trade. All right. So Jimmy that Paul misses him. I try, bro. Let me see. Let me see, Jimmy.
So like I was hitting on Jimmy yesterday, bro.
Bro, he hits on Jimmy every day. Yeah, that's my guy.
This guy was like, yo, you were looking cute as fuck yesterday or something like that.
Shit. Jimmy started blushing.
Pause.
Pog. Oh, shit. No one else got face cam with me today. It's just me, guys.
I mean, shit, I could get face cam, but I'm gonna be moving around a lot.
Doesn't look like he's in a little storm. Let's go on my Instagram page, Control FX. Now let's go on our controlfx.com page. Instagram page, Control FX page. Let's get it. Yeah, man, this move super clean. See, so as expected, if it closed like this would be lovely, because see the last 15-minute count closes bullish, but the 1 hour is still gonna close bearish here. AKA is just a retest on the 1 hour on a small time frame. If it closes exactly where it is right now, right? So let's see, because the 1 hour is still gonna close bearish. That'll be clean, followed by the 15-minute closing bullish. It's a nice wick, aka that retest, right? If you go back to what I drew earlier, it's exactly what I drew out. Where is it? Oh, I guess it's not here anymore, but yeah, basically this last wick you see on the hourly candle, this wick fill is basically just a retest on a smaller time frame, right? The 15-minute closing bullish. That's how that wick was created. There has to be a 15-minute. There has to be a bullish closure somewhere, right? What is the 1 hour close above? Yeah, I need the 1 hour to close below this level, below this level. That's my ideal. Below level would be lovely.
It looks like it's closing a little bit above on my.
On where you marked up. On mine, it's like I need to close above below 141.079. That'd be fine. I'll probably center with probably center this with the Oh wait, no, that's 22 pip stop. I think 30-minute time frame probably, or like a 12 pip stop loss.
I just want this 15-minute to go bearish, because then I just put my stops with a 15.
Jimmy's sad. I love him yesterday. He said he's sad. Alright, let's go gold, bro. Gold is a disaster as right now. I think what was it? Yeah. Gold, if you look at it, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna move till NFP. By looking at it. Look at it. Just look at it, you know? It's like a range. It's like a how big is this range here? This range is approximately, we're in like a
Yo, are you gonna go in GJ?
200 pip range. Yeah. 15 close bullish. 30-minute. Yeah. Per answer stuff at 30-minute time frame. So you're gonna short here, guys. That loss is gonna be up here. Above this candle. High. TP is gonna be down here. At the support. Oh, my Wi-Fi didn't go off today. Yeah, stop loss is like right there. If you guys have spreads, just adjust it accordingly to wherever your spreads are on top of that. Stop. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, guys, hold on. Let me explain this in a second. Try to adjust my stops first. Yeah, guys. So pretty much the sell, if you guys missed earlier, pretty much what the well is based off of is just pretty much it's pretty much a fake out play, right? If you guys know what a fake out play is, to make it simple, it's basically just price when it's ranging. You have a false breakout, and then pretty much that once that resistance breaks, you can now call support, right? So if this is a range and we're breaking out this range to the upside, we're breaking resistance, right? But what's happening now? We're actually breaking that support, coming back into range. I'm expecting us to continue down to fill the range. Clean traffic looking left. You have this clean traffic looking left coming back inside the range. And if this is a fake out, and usually 85% of the time we continue to fill the range, and then we have a 75% chance of it continuing further down. And it stays all the time. You guys want to hear me say that all the time. That one line, 85 and 75% every time. And honestly, bro, at this point, I'm not gonna say 85%. It's probably more than 85%. That fills the range majority of the times when it comes back into range. But yeah, high chance we're gonna continue down today. And I'm probably gonna leave a runner on this trade. Actually, my TP is gonna be like my runner TP is gonna be probably down here, 1-4, like this level down here. But it's just like my, probably gonna close like 70% of my positions here, 75, and leave a runner coming down all the way down here. But yeah, I'm gonna close on this trade. I'm probably gonna close at 10 pips, probably like down here. I'm gonna close about 50%, and then I'm move my stops to entries, because our entries, if this is the entries we have coming all the way down here, we have a nice stop loss to put an entry later on, right? Because we have a top of a wick here, right? See how our entry is at top of that wick. So yeah, if you do come down 10 pips here, I'm probably gonna move stops to entries and just let it run risk free, coming all the way down. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at, and this is a move that I've entered off of probably like 1,000 times before in the streams. Probably our most common mover. I'll give you guys some examples here. Yeah, pretty much like if you guys, let's say, like this probably. This is one of them. Range breakout, coming back into range. Basic stuff. You have this as well. See here, folks. Once a break, should be good.
Oh, that's all you have to do.
Yeah. Okay. See here? See this trade here? Exact similar trade. You had a breakout, you had a range, you had a breakout to the downside, and now we're just coming back. It's just the opposite, right? And yeah, that's how that is. And we have a whole video talking about these fake outs here as well. If you guys watch it here, fake outs, if you guys want to know more about it. But yeah, I'm currently in the sell right now. Why can't I trade gold though, Oanda? I'm not sure, bro. I do not know. I'll ask Oanda. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What views we got right now? Ooh, 200. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. Howdy, partner. How you doing? How long you been trading, bro? About 2 years. But would you leave your runner with NFP happening? Yeah, probably. With my stops at entries, obviously. If I can move my stops in profit at that point. We have like an hour and a half to NFP, right? But there's no fake out. What do you mean? A fake out is just price breaking back inside the range.
So if dollar news comes out bad, then GJ should continue down, right?
Yeah. Yes. But at that point, I don't even know if we're gonna be in a trade at that point.
I don't know.
You're expecting good news? Let's see. What are they expecting today? I'm only trying to catch 10 pips here. Like generally trying to catch 10 pips. I don't think it's gonna last.
Forecasting bad news.
I don't think it's gonna last till NFP. Like for prices to come down 10 pips, it's gonna be like the next 20 minutes probably. But yeah, NFP. What are you expecting?
Bad news.
Yeah, bad news, right? So it's just.
But as long as it's better than like forecasting news, it's good news, right?
They're expecting good news for this.
Oh shit!
Bad news for that.
I was looking at Canadian. Yeah, they're expecting bad news.
They're expecting bad news here.
Right?
Yeah. Expecting bad news. Let's see how it comes out though, right? We don't know what numbers at. Let's trade news. Let's see. Like guys, pretty much my stops is here though. I didn't explain my stops. I explained everything else on my stops. My stops are here pretty much on a 30-minute high because this is a new hourly candle, and if price is breaking this 30-minute high chance we're probably gonna continue up further up, right? So I want to keep my stops as minimum as possible here, the most logical sense, and I think this is the most logical sense it could be. If it breaks this high chance of probably continue up, so like here and then eventually these levels. So if it does stop us out, I'm probably gonna wait for sells later on. I'm probably gonna take another attempt at it because I'm pretty bearish today.
Didn't enter yet. I'm gonna enter if the 15-minute closes below.
15 breaks below.
No,
I mean,
if
yeah,
it
you-
just closes like kind of strong bearish.
I think you can enter where I entered, and or you can like if you wait for a lows to break, you know, that would be clean as well.
Still a little skeptical because it didn't. Like, I don't know. It didn't close fully below my area, but it looks good though.
I mean, if you have the lows, I'll be like 12 pip stops. Because the bullish close very weak. Remember you always talked about that? Bullish close weak after we break those lows, high chance we're just gonna shoot down. So
No, yeah, it looks good for sure. Cause it's like
technically my stop should be at the
range,
hourly high. No, but that's like big stops. I see.
yo, do you? I haven't really noticed, but like, do you take like close half or like close percentages once like it breaks the 15-minute high and such, like when you have your stops to the hourly high?
Not as much anymore. I just closed the full, to be honest.
Not as much, right?
Yeah, I used to do it, but I just felt like it wasn't. I don't know. It didn't work out for me. It's kind of like, you know, you're only losing an extra, like a little extra percentage. You just might as well let the whole, like, close the whole trade, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I'll add position. Like, I don't really add positions as well anymore, actually. Like, I don't, you know, I just let one position go.
Yeah, just one position. Yeah.
Like, I close half, right? But when it's a profit, that's all I do, though. Maybe it's a retest to go bullish. It could. Could be. This is just a trade that I've taken many times in the past before. So, I'll take it over and over and over every time I see it. Are you closing full here? No, I'm not closing full here. We just entered the trade here. Leaving my original stops here. It's a 12 pip stop loss on this trade. TP is like about 30 pips, potentially gonna be about 100 pips, 97 pips. So my runners are probably gonna go down there. Do you put stop loss at hourly high? No, put stop loss at 30-minute high, bro. Not the hourly high. Hi, are you trading GP as well for NFP? Yeah. We're gonna have a runner. If this all goes well here, expecting us to continue down here for pre-NY, right? And as NFP comes, probably gonna break the support down here. So NFP could just come down. Let's see. But like by NFP, man, we might be out this trade. Let's see. Like might be out, like, because like we're only trying to catch like 10 pips here, closing half there, move stops, entries, you know, and then let the whole trade play out later on. But at that point, we'll be at a break even in profit, stop loss in profit, or we'll be out, you know, at break, you know, wherever it happens. But like, I don't expect us to be in the trade for like I don't expect this to consolidate in this range where it is right now at entries for like another hour and a half. It's highly unlikely that's gonna happen. Why'd you close full now? Yeah, I'm not closing full now. This trade has a lot of potential. Gotta give your trade some, you know, breathing room, you know. You can't just close it. It makes sense for you to close if it's breaking highs, like your high, like logical highs and logical lows, like small highs, small lows, breaking some minor support resistance. But if you're just in a trade, like from the start, like if you're closing out now, you're just scared. Like you're not patient enough, you know. Because the trade hasn't done shit. Like what do we do here? We're like what, drawdown by like 1 pip, you know. And it has nothing to do with drawdown too. Whenever you guys close, by the way, like don't think you can you're closing on a trade because, oh, I'm down 20 pips, I'm gonna close here. Oh, I'm down this much, I'm gonna close it. That doesn't make any sense, right? You should be closing your trades like in losses, like closing full, whenever like, or closing partial, whatever you want to do, whenever your like price breaks a high or low on small time frames. And on small time frames or whatever time frame you're looking at is not following your structure. That's when you should kind of close your trades, right? But when a trade is just like not really, it's going kind of in your direction, but it's not doing much, it's not moving as fast as you expected, then yeah, you could just let it run, right? It makes no sense to close. Just kind of weird on the same trade. Hey, let's get it. Yeah, this idea is pretty simple here. If you understand long enough, you guys probably understand this trade. A lot of people take buys here though. Right here. This is where a lot of people take buys at. Why? Because they're expecting this right here to be a retest to go up. So they're expecting this. On their chart, I guarantee you their chart will look like this right now. They have an arrow going down and an arrow going back up like this. I guarantee you. Alright. But it's just that bearish kind of, look at where we're closing. We're closing bearish. There's no buys. We have red candles here. I think we're about 9 pips in profit here. Oh, 6 pips in profits actually. Not 9. Yeah. I think I'm moving my stops entry, guys, making this a risk-free trade here on GJ. Right? Look where entries at the wick pretty much. You can move your stops to entries or you can move it to the top of this wick here. So you're gonna move it to the top of the wick here. Let it run risk-free. And there you guys have it. Oh, about 8 pips in profit here. Nice.
There she goes.
There it goes. When it gets to 10 pips in profit, guys, probably like around, probably like a pip or two away here. I'm probably gonna close half at and let the whole position just run. And when I close half, I usually put it to break even, right? So, but yeah, right now instead of risking 12 pips, we're only risking 2 pips on this trade, right? Because we move our stops down to reduce our risk. Because it makes sense, right? Because if this is the current hourly candle, price shouldn't come back to break this high. If you're expecting the first 15-minute candle closer in a minute to close bearish here, this is the hourly high for price to go down. Where you can kind of anticipate it, right? Because you don't know what the high is. The 1 hour hasn't closed yet, so we don't officially have a high yet. But you can kind of anticipate things as the smaller time frame closes bearish, right? So, like I said, smaller time frame leads to the bigger time frame, and bigger time frame leads to the smaller time frame. Do you think it's a good idea to add a runner, or for example, you don't add a runner? And usually runners, well, how I do runners is I just close half or close a percentage and let the position go, stop loss entry. But adding a runner, it's like adding a position. It's not really a runner. You're just adding a whole new position to your trade. You're stacking it. That's a beautiful candle. Yeah, it is. Nice little wick fill. It did pretty much everything that's expected in this trade, you know. We waited patiently for this. Remember this candle came down earlier at the beginning of the streams? We're like, oh yeah, we might have missed the trade. But I'm like, okay, hold on. If price closes with a nice wick, it just means that we're gonna retest on the 15-minute for price to come down here. Because the 1 hour is gonna have a nice wick fill to go down. And price exactly as mentioned, right? So everything has been playing out pretty good here. I think once we break these lows, guys, you're gonna see a clean waterfall move down. Look left. We're gonna be breaking back inside this range here, and this is just absolute clean traffic, right? This is clean traffic here. So expect a waterfall once you break below these levels inside the range. I'm not gonna say waterfall yet because it's still potentially just reject off of here, go back up. But once it breaks this, man, expect your eyes to just go, you know. Yeah, it needs to break that wick. Once it breaks that wick, that's a 15-minute wick, right? That's a 15-minute bullish candle wick. Once it breaks that, it's gonna be GG's. 15 close bearish here. So yeah, this is our stops are very nice now. Very clean here. Very, very clean. I think we just broke it here, guys. I think 10 pips in profit here, about 9, 10, 10. There you go, 10. I think I'm close half here, guys. My trades. Close 50% of my profits here, and I'm gonna let the runner go to TP. Moving. I'll say, guys, managing trade is the most important part. Like, anyone can enter this trade, anyone at all, right? But the way you manage it will differentiate from you to the other person next to you. One person can just let the whole position running. One person can just have the original stop loss here for 12 pips, right? But the way you manage it will change the way you trade completely, right? Because look, we move ourselves down to 2 pips now, and we're not moving because we're scared, right? We're moving because it's the most logical thing we can do here, right? It just makes sense, right? First 15-minute candle closure, we're just moving our stops down. That's how it is. So yeah, guys, because you always want to manage traders like, just think about it like this. If you're in a trade already, think of move stops entries. Yeah, but okay, so if you're in a trade already, think about it like this. Every time you have a candle closure, just think about what would you do in this position if you were to enter right now as we speak. If you were to enter here, where would your stop loss be? It would be here, right? It wouldn't be up here again. So that's why I move my stops down to here. So that's kind of a key thing to managing your trades. It will go up. I mean, if it goes up, it's a risk-free trade anyways, right? I just believe that we're just gonna come down here. Thing is also, guys, whenever you have a bias, whatever, don't let just everyone's gonna have a different bias, right? Everyone's gonna have a bias, bearish bias. If you have a bias today and you don't believe in the sells today, then you don't have to enter the sells. Like you don't have to. You can look for buys and not sells, right? It's fine. Just trust your analysis, whatever it is. I'll buy or sells. Right? Just because I'm taking sells today and you're taking buys doesn't mean you can't take buys as well, right? So whatever you just believe in, just take it. But this is my trade. This is my breakdown, and it pretty much did everything that's planned here. So.
Damn.
Nice call, Don. See, some people in this trade they'll probably have the original stop loss here, just because they just, I don't know, whatever they feel, but like it's just the way you manage it. I'm telling you, it will change everything, man. It will change everything. One guy could be in profit by 100 pips, another guy can be in profit by 100 pips, but if one guy closed half, right, at 10 pips and let the runner go in, and one guy just let the full position go in with stops at the original stop loss, and price comes back and hits the stop loss, or hits their entries, who's gonna win at the end of the day? The guy that always closes half, or the guy that just was just delusional, So. We're trying to continue out the same for NFP for the rest of the day. We don't know that yet because NFP hasn't came out yet. But let's see. Whose mans is this? Mods will take good care of you today, my friend. Alright. Hey there. What's up, bro? Can I enter now? I don't know. It's up to you, bro. I'll say wait for this 30-minute closer. This 30-minute needs to close bearish to enter. But yeah, we see. So if this hits our entries here, at the end of the day, a lot of you guys might say, Don, how come you only catch 10 pips and you just close half hour? You don't let, how come you only catch 10 pips, man? I caught 100 pips in this trade, man. Like if I were to try to catch 100 pips every day, bro, how consistent would that be, right? Range day versus, I need some water. Range day versus like a day of lot of volume. No matter what it is, 10 pips you can easily catch every day, right? So that's why I just try to catch 10 pips and let the runner go. And that's what I did. That's what I do in every trade. All my trades, I just 10 pips, close half, and let the whole full position go. Stops the entry.
Close my position on that 15-minute candle. Oh, bruh.
Oh, you got on later?
That candle is like
You got on down here?
That candle is like a 90% candle, I swear.
Which one?
The 15-minute.
This one?
Yeah. I guess that like
I guess
like a point of rejection, but
I guess like if this kind of were to break the lows earlier, that would be much better. But then this kind of right here closed bearish, and then this one broke it. Like if this
I don't know, bro. I see this. I feel like I see this all the time. Like even if it doesn't like close below the wick, like I don't know, it's still very high percentage.
No, like yeah, I mean it's still closed bearish at the end of the day. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, guys. I am not in the trade anymore. Right? We're gonna take a second attempt at it later on, but was able to close 10 pips on a trade with stops to entries. So if you didn't close half, then now you're that guy. You know, like I said, the way you manage it would differentiate you from the guy next to you. What's your USD CAD? If you send me a chart, nice breakdown, nice analysis, I'll take a look at it for you. Caught the sells and caught the fib long. Nice, bro. Yeah. I think yep. So if you guys think second sells for me, let's see how these candles close here. But if I were to get another sell, maybe it might be below here, coming down here, below the support down here, because it's kind of like your range you're in, right? You're entering this range here. Oh no, tree calls buys. That's a long time ago. That was yesterday actually. My bad. That's not supposed to be there. There you go. Just trade sells today. That's it. Got a runner coming down. Got to update that as well.
Yo, 300 viewers.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pressure's on me. No pressure. And Jimmy's not here for this, bro? Come on now, Jimmy.
Oh, I guess it's NFP. Yeah, it's NFP.
Yeah, NFP. It's in my title.
Sir.
Hey, Don, where's Sam? He's here. He's talking.
That's me, bro. He probably thinks that Jimmy Sam.
Yo.
Took 8 pips. RP Kobe. RP Kobe, bro. You train NFP? Yeah, bro. I'm training NFP.
What's good, y'all?
Yo, what up, but Jay? You work today? No, you don't work today, right?
Nah, not today.
Alright, bro. You know the vibes.
Yo, actually, I was in here like a little earlier. I was just on mute and shit.
I didn't see
What's
it.
it called? The cells you took, right?
Yeah.
Well, with the 4 hour, the 4 hour was it not? Because I didn't end up taking the cells because like the 4 hour time frame.
Oh, it was
I
bullish?
kind of noticed like the 4 hour time frame. It was bullish. So
Yeah.
like,
I mean,
like, so what would you like?
For me,
Cause
I was looking at the daily, yeah, and at the 4 hours, it's like I saw this is coming back in a range. So I'm like, okay, if we're just kind of like small time showing us signs that we could be coming down here, because like,
it makes
how often does this play out? You know, like you see it all the time, right?
Yeah, like because
So you're like,
faked out. That's
yeah,
basically
high
freaking out
chance
twice.
we could continue down here, like you know, and then if you really think about like once you get down to this level, at that point the 4 hour would be bearish. So it's like, you know. Kind of just leading up to the time frame type scenario, leading up to the 4 hour.
Nah, it's looking more like a double fake out if it goes back.
If it goes back up, yeah. Like the only bias I'll take today, like I don't know if I'll take bias today. Like, maybe like above here, maybe. Above this resistance. Right, but like I'm still bearish today. Just hitting my entry doesn't mean I'm bullish, right?
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, because I didn't even realize about the daily time frame closing bearish.
The thing is, like, if it goes up today, I think.
Well, weekly.
I think like, cause like above here, man, it's just gonna be like a bunch of range. You know, you have like a bunch of traffic here. This is like not as clean.
Yeah.
Like I much prefer to take sells.
I think if you're gonna take buys, you might as well take buys when the 30-minute. If the 30-minute
comes back in range. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that here. This scenario. Let's see. Probably not gonna see buys on this candle. They're missing close bullish here. 15 cent close bullish. I think sells now could be below here. Forming a minor support here, a mini one. So you can see this kind of like a range here. You know. Yeah. I can't join your team, bro. You're in there, bro. You're in it. If you're watching for free, you're in it. If you want to pay for extra stuff, then by all means you can go ahead. Just message me on Telegram. We have a VIP channel and we also have a course over here. But If you just want to learn for free, then you're already in it. Just gotta be on every day, bro. That's all it is. They support at 140,900. 140,900. Yeah, somebody support her. Hopefully 400 viewers. I hope so too. Let's get it. NFP, big day today. Interviews are looking bullish. UC CAD, please send me a chart, please. From 140,900 to 140,700 pretty clean traffic on 15-minute. Yep. Yep, on a 15-minute. Yeah, that could be. Cause yeah, I guess we just formed some type of support here. Let's see what happens here. Some people say there's a retest go down. Some people say there's a retest go up. I'm just gonna wait for some bearish candles in this range here. Close. Because right now we're just bullish candles here, right? On small time frames. Well, usually drop on today's NFP. You can send. Actually, I don't even know. That's a different question. Expecting bad news. Let's see. Let's see how the technical side looks actually. USD on the technical side. How does the technical side look? I'll say. Oh, I think I saw this already. I broke this down for someone already. I'll say buys will be above here. I'll say above there. Or like above 4-hour time frame above here. Above here, buys coming up to like this resistance. You know, this would be very clean. Look, this is probably the cleanest 4-hour candle I've ever seen today. You know, look at that 4-hour candle clean. So yeah, I think buys above here coming up to Phil's range here. That'll be your buys. So
this whole week been choppy.
Yeah.
This week's been pretty decent.
It's been, I don't know, it's been alright. It's not the best. It was pretty okay week. I had a decent week. Remember guys, organic trading, don't be a GMO trader. Yeah, don't be a GMO trader, bro. I'm gonna start my own stream. We should be covering a year.
This week was actually pretty decent.
Asian?
Like
yeah, what happened during Asian? Did it come down? What was this? Asian was... Oh yeah, this 20 pip move here. Yeah, this is a nice mirror candle. 22 pip move here. Very clean. Bro, my water. Would you advise you hold short trades on USD with NFP nuts coming up? Oh man, I think before you ask me, you should ask yourself what you want to do. If you have a bias, stick to your bias. If you have a TP level, stick to your TP level. How you manage the trade will be on you though. Where you're gonna close half at, where you're gonna move stops entries at. You know, you should ask yourself those questions before you ask if you should hold a trade, because more likely if you're asking if you should hold a trade through a pair, through an NFP, you're most likely not confident in the trade, or you know, you may have not broken down the trade enough to a point where you feel confident, or you believe that it's gonna go down or up in whatever direction you prefer, right? So I feel like you should just backtest a little more and then, you know, do some more practice on that. What would you say is your biggest takeaway from trading in life in general? Biggest takeaway from trading, bro, is probably patience. Probably patience, bro. If there's one. Yeah. Cause it's like, man, that I kind of learned a lot of skills from trading too. More of the psychology side though, just understand patience and how important money is. It's kind of what I understood, and just brought it to my real life, you know. Bro, what's GMO? So, GMO trading. So this is organic, right? This is organic, you know, nice organic fruits and veggies, you know. And if you're a GMO trader, this is you. You know, modified fruits, right? So if you're organic, all you have on your chart is a line, a box, and you have a lion, right? But if you're a GMO trader, you're gonna have this on your chart. You know, I'm expecting price to bounce off this to go up like this, and pretty much expecting this to go off like this. I believe this is a nice sell we have here, bouncing off the 30.28 retracement, coming up to the next fib level, pretty much to create a bullish bullish flag, come down to the next head and shoulders support to continue up to the IML harmonic scanner, right? And
Guaranteed
this
1,000
is GMO right here, and your TP is probably gonna be majority of times 500 pips, and your stop's gonna be like probably like, you know, I don't know, but yeah, that's what GMO is. That's a GMO trader. You're not organic, you know, you're just not organic. You're not organic, bro. You're not organic. You're using, you know, if you're using some type of indicator, you are a GMO trader. And that's fine, that's fine. Being a GMO trader is fine. It's just that you're a GMO trader, not organic trader, right? This is a term I've come up with. And if you hear anyone else say that, yeah, you guys know where it came from. Not the scanner. But yo, it's true though. Like, how many times do you guys hear it? Yeah, I believe prices bounce off this trend line to complete a fib level. You're tracing to come back up to complete the bullish flag that we have formed there on a daily time frame, followed by the 15-minute doji count that has a reversal to go down to the bullish hammer bouncing off of the, you know, it just goes on and on and on. And it's just like, bro, why don't you just draw a line across and just wait for a candle close below? Nice sell. See how simple that is? Simple keywords, you know, simple keywords. But hey, it is what it is. You just do whatever you guys want. There's no wrong right way of trading. You know, it's just, you can make things easier. That's all I'm gonna say. It's funny. Shit. What do you think's gonna happen on gold? Gold, well, I think I broke it down already. I believe I did break it down already. Just kind of in this range here. I say wait for NFP to see some. Not really moving right now, right? 30-minute here. What time? How did it close? Bearish. Ooh, 30-minute actually closed bearish. I think I'm gonna attempt sells, second sells here, guys. Below this kind of wick, yeah. Like 30-minute closed bearish. I didn't see this. This is clean. This is a nice wick fill to come down here, right? A nice wick fill to come down, continue down bearish here. I think I'm gonna take sells once we break the lows here. Like a what? Nice. Is that 12 pip stop loss, 11 pip stop loss? Sells below there for like about 20 pips for like a nice, yeah, not bad. Current candle. If price breaks this low, high chance it's gonna continue further down here. Because this candle did close bullish at support here, so if price is breaking that low, high chance we're gonna continue down. Are you so short, GJ? I'm not in a sell right now. I got out at entries, but I'm gonna take a second attempt here on sells. What time did I take the first trade at, by the way? Do you guys know?
Wasn't it just like around 7?
7?
Yeah, it was around 7 because the 1 hour ended up closing bearish, I think.
Let's see. 7:15, I think. Yeah, it was 7.
7.
You are correct, sir. Let me see.
Bro, you seen chocolate covered chicken?
What?
You seen that?
Chocolate covered chicken?
Chicken.
Like TikTok video?
Bro, my stomach hurts.
Yeah, that was crazy.
My stomach hurts thinking about that, bro. What is that? Chocolate covered chicken, bro.
They put chocolate on chicken.
You might as well eat
it.
Bro, that's
grody.
That's nasty, bro.
Really, but like actually, I don't know. Really think about like exactly how it would taste.
I don't want to figure out, like, it's just that's not the
really
right combination. I don't know.
Like, unless you put in honey on chicken and shit, you know.
Yeah. You got seasoning all over the chicken, and you're gonna throw chocolate on top of that? I don't know.
For real though. Do you ever think events in your life have led you to trading and learn the skill set? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Before I started trading, I was when I started trading, I was very impatient. I definitely did not learn that skill from, I didn't have much patience before trading. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't have that management yet. But I can say now I do. As the more I blew accounts in the past, that's when I learned those skills, right? So trading actually changes your life a little bit. It's a lifestyle, right? Because like if you think about it, like you're not trading just to catch. well, you shouldn't be trading just for money. That shouldn't be what you should be trading for. You should be trading for like just the trade, right? Just the lifestyle. Like, you know, that's the best way to go about it. And I feel like your lifestyle is just gonna organically change as you start to adapt to the market. You know, like, oh, I'm gonna wait for this candle, I'm gonna wait for this candle, whatever you want. I'm gonna wait for this time frame. That's just practicing organic patience every day. You know, just before you knowing it. And then, what else is there? Some patience. I guess money management, discipline. Yeah, money management, discipline as well. You know, always asking the whys. You know, and not just entering just to enter. Like, oh, if someone tells you something, like, oh, that's why every time someone says like, oh yeah, GJ is a buy today, this and that, I'm just like, okay, like I mean, I'm not gonna disagree, but I'm not gonna agree as well, right? Because I'm gonna trust my own analysis. I'm gonna ask, oh, why do you see buys here? And, you know, if their explanation doesn't like, you know, doesn't make sense for me, then I'm not gonna really take their bias, obviously. You always wanna trust your own bias, right? Sorry, when I heard it, what the fuck, bro? USD. Why did I ask my USD today? Is that your guys' pairs for NFP day? Just USD. I mean, I usually got gold and US30 for NFP as well. Dollar pairs. That makes the most sense. Oh, US30 actually is gonna come down here. Look left, guys. US30 looks like it's gonna continue down here, coming down to like, I think. Oh, this is very clean. We have 4 step of resist. This is a fake out, right? We have 4 step of resistance here. And what happened later? This is the exact thing that GG just did. This is what we're expecting on GG though. We had a fake out to the upside. Well, closure to the upside. You had a range, right? Actually, before that happens, let me just draw my range at the support here. Alright, so this is your support. This is your range. What do you have here? You have a range. You now have a break to the upside. What happens after? Price comes back inside the range. You take sells. See what happened later? Price filled the range. 85% chance of the thing I was talking about. And now we have a 75% chance of continuing further down as we break that support coming down to these levels down here. So if this support breaks here, we have a clean traffic move coming down here on US30. That's the technical side of it. But yeah, this is exactly what we're expecting on GJ here. Price coming back inside of range. I'm expecting us to continue down here for the day. Let's see, if this 15-minute close bearish here, I'm gonna attempt second sells there. We have 5 minutes left. Yep, 5 minutes of a single bull in sight. Yep, just pure bearish. There's no reason for buys. Alright, guys? You guys know that. You guys know that. If candles closing bearish, why would you want to take buys? If candles closing bullish, why would you want to take sells? Continue, follow the trend. You know, your goal is to come in second place, not first. Let the markets come in first. Follow the trend. If it's a buy, take it above 141 and 110. Yeah, I say above here, that'll be like the most logical bias. Yeah, that'll be much cleaner. Yo, Sam, you're in profit here? Didn't you enter?
No, I got stopped at break even.
Oh, current candle.
Yup.
I trade NFP5. Yeah, me too. Which one has a gulag? What does Control FX have? If I'm gonna, you know, I think the gulag guys came from Warzone, guys. I think that's where it came from. And if you guys play Warzone, you guys know.
Bounty? Hell yeah, chopper. Oh my god.
Gulag incomers, you know, take them out. GJ snipe. Ooh. Control FX has G organic trading and versus GMO trading. Alright, so whenever you guys come to streams, I'll identify you guys as either organic. Whenever you send me a chart, the first thing you have to hear say is you're an organic trader or you're a GMO trader. Alright? So we haven't had any charts today yet, so you haven't seen me do it yet, but we have organic and GMO here. It's hitting both 4-hour and 1-hour buy fibs. I can see why, right? Because you probably have a GMO fib going from here to here, and this is probably your 61.8 retracement, if I'm not wrong, right? Look left, all that is just a minor support here. If price is breaking that support, that 61.8 fib you have is gonna be going to the 78%, whatever you have down here, and you know, to the 100%, whatever it is. So I don't know. Like, I've used fibs in the past, man, but if I'm gonna tell you, I mean, honestly, I just feel like it's all just form resistance. Let's see, 15's gonna break the lows here. We take second selves here. Take second attempts here. There. When I was gonna close in 17 minutes, 30 minutes on closing. 14 pip stops. This is so clean to go down. At this point, might as well wait for the last hourly close here, right? We close in like what, 17 minutes? NY open? Let's see. I also kind of missed my entry as well. I just came far too down here. Let's see. I want entries right here at 140, 902. GJ is a sell, right? Yeah, I see it now, right? A lot of guys like, oh fuck, it's breaking my fib levels. Oh fuck, it's breaking my trend line, whatever it is, right? Yeah, now it makes more sense, right? A lot of people took buys here because what they saw was price close bullish and they expected price to retest this to go up, right? But if you look at it, what happened here? We had a bearish candle, right? Bearish candle, no bulls in sight. Came back inside the range, filled the range. If you're on the stream today, you would have understood what clean traffic is and what a range breakout is. But yeah, if you guys got sells here as a 15-minute broke the lows that I mentioned earlier, then congratulations, you should be in it. Yeah, I missed my entries as I was talking too much here. Gmo fib on GPU job. I'm trying to figure out if I should sell you right now, lol, because NFP will be wild. That could be like 50 quick pips. I mean, why'd you want to catch 50 quick pips where you can just catch 10 pips steady every day? Why is the 30-second delay on stream? There's like a 1-second delay on stream, I think. If just refresh the stream if you have a 30-second delay. It's a 1 second. It's a 1 second delay. It's not 30 seconds. I checked already, bro. Whenever I check my phone, it's a 1 second delay.
It would be nice if NY volume can keep it pushing down.
Yep.
What you're saying.
Hold on. Is it? Let me change this. That's weird. Oh, 319 viewers, nice. Wait, yo, what do you say? Thing? Ifty? I didn't hear you.
No, just what you're saying. If with the New York volume, keep it pushing down.
Yeah. Yeah, at 8 AM. So yeah, as expected, we expected this to continue down to pre-New York, and then as NFP comes, I guess, continue further down below support. Okay, 15 close bearish, nice. They might attempt an entry here, guys. Short position. Hope it stops. TP is gonna be down here. Yeah, second attempt on this trade here. So you guys sell here, guys, with my stop loss above this 15-minute high here. TP is gonna be down here for 20 pips. Not bad. And on this trade, guys, yeah, same thing as earlier. We're probably gonna attempt a runner as well as we come down here. I'm expecting us to continue down here because this is a fake out play, right? So wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, original TP is gonna be here for now, and as you start to come down later on, probably gonna close half again, do the same thing again, close half at 10 pips, and then probably close another 25% as we tap this TP here, and then as the rest of the 25% running coming down here. So yeah, that's how my managed trade here. This is our second attempt today, right? First attempt we took 10 pips on it. Let's see how the second attempt goes. My throat's so dry today. If it breaks support, I prefer waterfall. Yeah, I prefer for waterfall. Because look left. Look where we're entering. Look where we're entering here. Clean traffic. We're entering this range for the first time. Clean traffic. Overall, this is a range overall, right? If you look at overall, this is just a range. So. I'm the only one that have a 20-second delay. It's in the mobile too. 20-second delay? That's weird. Hold on. Let me just try to change it, guys. It shouldn't be a 20-second delay though. That's weird. It should be like a... Can I fix this? How can I fix this? That is weird. Usually machines have like 1 second delay. That's how I put it to. Or YouTube wise, ultra low latency. Right?
Oh, I just took my final L of the day.
You took 3 trades?
Took 3 trades, 1 break even, 1 and 2 L's.
20 pips?
Even when, yeah, last trade I shouldn't have moved myself to break even, but.
Damn, 3 trades before 8 AM.
Yeah, bro.
Crazy. Yeah,
I mean, there are trades that I think I would take again, but.
Yeah. I mean, what, you're gonna call it a day now? I mean, shit, it makes sense too, right?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, it's my second trade of the day. Probably my last trade of the day, maybe. Let's see. Because I usually take, about 1 to 2 trades per day. I did say before I was gonna take 2 attempts on this sell though. 2 attempts there. Because I strongly see actually that we're gonna come down today. It's just like, I just want to get in and have price coming down before NFP. Like if it didn't hit entry earlier, that would be much better for us. I would just be in that one trade and just expecting it to come down as NFP came out, right? But like entering on NFP like right at 8:15 would be a bit more like dangerous because obviously you can have news coming out, right? But let's see. Obviously GG is not gonna be affected by it by much. It'll push volume in though. It'll push a lot of volume in though. But it's not gonna be like, oh, bad news. It's gonna go like, you're not gonna see a 100 pip candle, on GJ. You're gonna see a big waterfall or big rocket ship, whatever happens at that time, right? But that's it. It will fly down. Here's a link to if you can close 30% quickly. I don't think you can send links here. I'm not sure if they'll see it here, bro. I think I know the link you're talking about though. Where's your other support level? Down here at 140.694. Very poor entries, bro. Why entering on support? This is not support. The support's down here. You're coming back inside this range here. Look at it. You're coming back inside. Your support was broken up here. We took our first attempts here as we broke the support, and now we're taking our second attempt as prices. Well, price was the 15 on this trade is basically off the 15-minute as we're just coming down and clean traffic here. Look left. This is absolute clean traffic. Support's down here. This is your support down here. I'll say that. That's your range. I mean, if you see it as a poor entry, then see it as a poor entry. This is a trade that I've taken many times in the past though. Price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down, right? I think this will go up reverse. I mean, if you think so, then you think so. If you believe so, then believe so. Send me a chart of what you see. I'm all eyes, bro. I'm all eyes. Bro, the range is so messy. Look at a 1 hour time frame.
I have my stops above the 5-minute high.
You're in it?
No, I got out.
Oh, you had your stops below 5-minute high?
Yeah, because if I'm entering on the 15-minute, then like I don't know. That's just something that the other guy said.
Oh.
At that point, like I mean, I might as well maybe have my stops for the 15-minute. But it's just like I just fully expected that candle to just not like to just continue down.
I feel like, bro, as you start to gain more whatever viewers, I guess, like, bro, you're gonna have a lot more bias to deal with, you know? Remember before, bro, it'd just be like, oh yeah, I have 8 viewers. Oh yeah, I'm taking like a couple months ago.
350.
Yeah, I'm taking I'll sell here and be like, oh fuck, like no one, there gonna be 20 people watching, like, no, just chilling. Oh, 350 viewers, nice. What song should I do today? Yo, you saw that music video by Drake with Justin Bieber? Popstar?
Yeah, I seen it.
6ix9ine dropped an album.
Wait, Drake's on a Bieber track?
He's on the music video. Ooh, let's get it. Let me post this on my story real quick. Oh, looks like GJ's coming down here. I drew this box for a reason, guys, by the way. This is absolute clean traffic we're heading towards into. So, yeah.
Somebody sent that chart.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Send a chart. I will determine if you're an organic trader or if you're a GMO trader.
Somebody sent a chart.
Alright, I'll look at it. Let me just post it in my story real quick.
Euro JPY.
I'll take a look at it. I think we're like... Alright, cool. So it looks like the 15-minute liquidity wick, and if you break the lows here, I think you can move your stops down to this low if you do break the lows here. If you do come below here, guys, below like 148.27, I'm probably gonna move my stops down to here. So instead of risking 12 pips, I'm probably gonna only risk 7 pips on the trade. Right, because this is a current candle. This actually, it did break the lows actually. Cause yeah, so pretty much like if this is the high or the 15-minute candle, price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down, right? We close in like 4 minutes here. We need to close bearish though. See what happens here. Breaking it. Yeah, they're gonna move my stops down, the guys, to this low now. So instead of risking 12 pips, only risking about 7 pips now on the trade. And that's how you match the trades to the T, right? And we're approaching this. We broke this level here. So now you can expect absolute clean traffic coming down here. Expect as a waterfall as we speak. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. It's gonna happen about now. Right, we're breaking below this. I'm not moving stops to entry. Oh, 7 pips in profit actually. Yeah, I'm moving stops to entries. I am gonna move stops to entries. 7 pips in profit. Moving stops to entries here. About to be 10 very soon. And at this point, at 10 pips, gonna close half that, you know, and let the running go to this target. So yeah, it's a risk-free trade. There you guys have it. That's how I manage my trades. I didn't realize that I was in 7 pips in profit because I was posting a video on my Instagram page. Sorry guys, but yeah, you guys got the idea of it. If you know, you know, you know. If you know, you know. This is not true. GD do get affected by NFP because GP is affected by GPUSD and GJ yen affected by yen. Yeah. I mean, but the NFP news is affected by what? The dollar pair, right? In GJ, there's no dollar pair there. Yen is closed right now, but there's volume that's gonna come in. So that's why you see GJ moving. The NY volume, right? It's the reason why GJ moves the most, I would say, during pre-NY to London to the NY overlap. Why? Because you have London and you have NY mixing up together to create the biggest volume wave of the day, right? So that's why you have GJ moving a lot during this time right here. But yeah, EJ idea, I got you, bro. Let's take a look at that chart for you. Got you. Don't worry about it. What do you have here? Ooh, I think 10% profit very soon here. 9% profit, nice. Yeah, so GJ was not a buy today. I mean, hey, if you guys took buys, earlier in the stream, someone said they took buys. I mean, I told you guys to trust your analysis, take buys if you want to, but you know. It's
just... John, what did you say that you prefer to go break even when it goes 5 pips in?
Hold on. 12 pips in profit, guys. I'm closing half here at 12 pips, closing 50% here, and I'm letting the runner go until my TP levels. All right, guys. So you guys have it. Risk-free trade, by the way, too. So. My bad, FT. What you say, FT?
No worries, brother. I was just saying that when it goes halfway to your TP, so for example, if it was 5 pips, you go break even at that point?
About like, more like, about 7, 8 pips ish. Like around 6, 7, 8, 9 ish. Around that point, yeah. At 10, just close half. But it depends. It depends on the scenario. It really depends. Again, in this scenario, I mean, like if this kind of were to flip bullish, high chance it would just can come back up.
Yeah.
Right. So like we entered a little above that. So
ooh, there it goes.
There you guys go. Give you guys a full breakdown on GJ this morning. Complete full breakdown. And this trade, guys, I'm gonna leave a runner. By the way, I'm leaving a runner coming down to 140.040. All right, you hear that? So later on, when price comes down here, don't be like, "Oh, Intel's the whole, Intel's this and that." I'm leaving a runner coming down to 140.040. I'm closing about 25% of my positions on this one.
I say this all the time. One of the best feelings is leaving a runner at break even.
I swear to God, bro. Best feeling in trading. Ever. Best feeling in trading.
Yeah. Even going break even, to be honest with you, just feels good. I'm letting trade go through.
Clean traffic. Should I play the range or wait till price breaks support for clean move up? Okay, so on this chart, bro, first of all, I think you should take the sell and take the sell because price hasn't got there yet, right? Because you don't know where your stop loss is going to be. You can't just put a stop loss here because it's 20 pips because you feel like it's going to be 20 pips. If it doesn't make sense, if like candles are like not, you know, if the lows are up here, like why is your stop loss going to be down here, right? So I say wait before you add any of these to your charts. I'll say wait for price to actually break above. I think this is a range though. You have a nice resistance here, and you have a nice, like, I guess, support down here. Yeah, I guess it's a nice breakout for a range. I'll say take buys above here, and then take sells below here. That'll be clean. But if you look at it closely, this is a fake out, right? This is your fake out right here. You have a fake out coming from these levels to these levels. That's your range right there. Hold on. That's your lower range. This is your break to the highs, and price came back down to fill the range. So high chance it's going to come down to this support down here, and this is the exact trade we took on GJ. I think all yen pairs are doing the same here, but yeah. 1 hour has closed bearish here, guys. So the only thing we got pretty much worry about right at this point is just this candle creating a top wick, right? So wherever the top wick is on this candle, that's gonna be the high of this candle. But if prices hits, because like look at where our entries is the middle of this candle, right? So easy, it's not the highs or anything, right? So price can easy just come up as long as price respects this high. It should go down obviously, but we have a very close entry here, so it's the only thing you gotta worry about. But it's a risk-free trade either way. You're not really worrying. It's just, you know. But yeah, I closed like 50% of the trade already, and you guys should have too if you guys haven't yet. You guys probably, if you guys haven't, then you guys are not learning from the first mistake here, right? Because on the first entries here we had earlier on 10 pips, I closed 10 pips and it hit entries, and you guys seen what happened. So I mean, it's up to you whatever you want to do with the trade, but this is how I'll manage trades, because these trades are just for me to enter, right? You guys can just follow along or just get the idea of it or whatever. Sorry if I'm not reading chats, guys. Hold on, I'm just gonna check what time I entered this trade at. I think I entered at 7 7.
It was like I think 7:45.
7:45.
It was
Yeah.
like a 15-minute.
Yep. You're right. 7:45. So yeah. Yep. 7:45. Alright, guys. Yeah. Thanks for everyone who showed up today. By the way. NFP hasn't even started yet. The party hasn't even started yet. The party never ends, bro. But the party hasn't even started yet here, and we're just already 2 trades in. Let's see. Like I might not take a third trade. I might take a third trade. Let's see. This is a good breakdown. Check the last NFP. Hey, yeah, this is a good breakdown. A lot of people told me that when I entered here, it said buys, buys, buys. But yes, I didn't let it affect me because I just trust my analysis. Right? I've seen this play out many times in the past, and I've just pretty much entered off the same trades I enter off all the time, right? That's all you gotta do. Just be consistent. Choose what's consistent for you, and just enter off those entries all the time. That's 40. But yeah, like a lot of people are always gonna tell you, oh, it's not a sell, it's a buy. It's not a buy, it's a sell. This and that. Just trust your analysis, bro. I promise you. Trust your analysis. Thanks for perfect calls, bro. You're a pro. Is there such thing as a FOREX pro? I don't think so, bro. Boom shakalaka? Yeah, let's get it, bro. I took buys early on and got 11 pips. Nice, bro. Magic trade is very important. You do it well. Yeah, I mean that's my most important. Like, I don't care about my profits. I don't care about my pips, this and that. How much money I made, this and that. I care about the trade, and that's what I always cared about, right? I feel like if you just don't look at the money side, don't look at the pip side, just look at the trade itself. It's gonna lead to the money and pip side eventually. I think I hit my entry here, guys, on this trade though. I closed 50%. I was gonna attempt a runner coming down to here. It pretty much tapped near the TP levels here. It was like a couple pips away, but I had a runner coming down to here anyways, right? So attempted it, didn't work out, but hey, still caught 10 pips on this trade. Hello, at 5 p.m. I traded GJ and it went fully drawdown without stopping. Do you know why what happened? Yeah, the first question is, it's 5 p.m. Well, I'm not sure what time frame you're from, what time zone. But I'm guessing it's Eastern, right? So 5 p.m. man, you shouldn't be trading GJ after 11 p.m. I mean 11 a.m. right? Because yen, I mean the pound is open only until 11, right? After that, it's closed. It's like you're going to Walmart and you're sitting in the front store watching the doors. It's closed. There's no point of sitting there, And like 5 p.m. that's late. You shouldn't be trading any pair at that time. Actually, that's a very bad time to trade. Like, there's no volume.
Spreads are like.
There might be volume sometimes. It's rare though, but like,
are like 100 pips
how often? Yeah, like, how often is that gonna happen though? Like sure, one point, gold did come down 100 pips at 5 p.m. Sure, but like, how often would that happen? Is it consistent? Are you you're putting yourself in a disadvantage off the rip if you enter at 5 p.m. Right? So, if you might as well wait for the Asian session, right? The Asian session is the next nice session to trade after the New York session. But yeah, like, I'll give you the best time of trades here. The best time of trades will be the pre-market and opening. So for London, it's gonna be about 3 a.m. or no 2:30 ish to like about 4 or 5 ish or 4 around that time. Pre-NY probably you're gonna be like 6:30 ish to like 9 ish, 9, 10, 11 around there. Asian session probably like 6:30 or 7 to like 6:30, 11, 7 to like maybe 8, 9 ish. After 9, Asian session kind of dead majority of the time. So you want to do what's the most consistent, right? 2 thumbs down at GMO traders. Yeah, there's 2 people today that told me that GG were biased and they told me to go full margin on it. I guess they were the 2 guys that got the dislikes on the streams. I mean, hey, GMO traders, right? If you got the pips today, give a like on the stream. Yeah, guys, leave a like on the stream if you guys took pips today. And subscribe to the channel if you guys are I'm not new faces here. Let's get to 400 viewers, guys. Share the stream. Let's get it. Yeah, Sam, you're saying they try to catch like a 100 pip move at like 5 p.m. on gold. Oh fuck. Dude, can you make a bad boy face instead organic, please? What the fuck does that mean, bro? What do you mean, bruh? Forex better. You're talking like 444 666, and you're talking like what's the other guy's name? What's his name? He's not here today. Is he? Who's the guy that says dude all the time to me?
Trader Tom.
Cherry Tom and who's the other guy? They're all the same people. What's that guy? 44666 and
Bro, Forex Spider kills me.
yeah, first is a funny guy, cool guy. You think gold will go up or down for NFP? Gold? I'll say from a technical standpoint, bro. From a technical standpoint, I'll say wait for buys above here. Buys above here would be clean. That man, this is so tough to look at. So much traffic here. This is not as clean, right? Like obviously daily is bearish, you know, but thing is days have support here, so like it's very choppy. Like, I'm not sure here. Like technical standpoint is very choppy as well, so you just gotta wait for news. You don't have to trade the gold off and rips up the news off the bat, right? You can just like get the news out and then trade the little pieces after that. But yeah. Well, actually, bro, just curious. I can see you're a student of Raja. I'm not a student of Raja. I never paid for his courses, or anything like that. But I did talk to him before. I did watch his streams before. So you know, I did talk to Ted before. So also, I'm gonna get that question now. So I'm just answering it beforehand. I'm gonna get that question of Donna, who's your mentor? So my mentor is. I got you guys. This is my mentor.
The following.
The following right here. Hold on. Who else is there? Hold on. I got you guys. Give me a second. Give me a second here. What's there? I should save this list actually. Alright, so you guys are asking me, Don, who's your mentor? And my mentor is
Q Banks, Astro FX, Wix, Don Lee, U Inkle, Ted Crypto Wizard, King Sean Lee, Drew Banks, Ryan Red, Package Dude, Don Vo, Sam Ifty, Jimbo, Trade Sniper FX, Professional Sniper, Bryce Thompson, IML, MLM, LOL, Organic Trading.
Let's go, baby.
That's my mentor. That's my mentor. Think about it. Think about it. I never paid for any of their courses, right? But think about it. If you think about it, because everyone's so toxic in this, and no one wants to give credit to anyone, right? So it's like this. People come in, you know, get some mentors, this and that. They blow up, like, oh, who's your mentor? I don't know. Shit, never had a mentor. You know, like that's what they say, right? So I'm gonna say, I've been through each and every one of those pages in my life before in the past. I've been through each and every single Instagram page of that type, right? And I must say, I did get some value on each and every Instagram page there. You know, I go to Q Banks' page, for example, even though he blocked me for no reason. I go to his page and I get like, I get some nice piece of metal there, some nice cars there, you know, inspiration, nice, beautiful. Go to Astro FX page, get some nice, you know, some nice trend line stuff there in the past, you know. Works online, got some nice, when I get there, nice some support and resistance there, nice, you know. Go to like Uncle Ted, you know, get some nice psychology there. Go Crypto Wizard, get some nice fib levels, you know. King Sean Lee, get some nice meditation there. You know, all these guys, right? Red Package Dude, get some nice, you know, some nice marketing stuff there, you know. So it's like I've got some value out of all of these guys before in the past, and I must give credit to all of them, right? you can't not give credit, right? So,
Hey, did Jimbo jump on the chat?
oh Jimbo, hop on the Zoom, bro. Come on, bro.
Let's
Come
go,
on,
bro.
bro.
Right before NFP.
Would you just hit your TP? Pretty much came close. I got out of at I closed half and got out, but yeah. I mean, if you're still in it, then I mean, hey.
Why can't you even learn from Sean Lee or Q Banks?
I don't
It's
know,
crazy
bro.
because I bought the Cuban scores too. Remember, bro? Like,
Yep.
oh man, when I first
I mean,
joined
hey,
your
hey.
VIP.
I mean, they sold they sold $1 million worth of courses. You know, you know, bro. You know, you know, bro. You know. I mean, yeah, I gotta give him credit.
I'm not gonna.
You gotta give him credit.
Yeah,
But
I'm not gonna
hey,
say I regret spending the money, bro.
you can say you regret it, yeah, but you know, it is what it is, eh? Anyways, guys, you know.
It will
You
be
got me where I'm
easy
at
if
right
you
now,
say
man.
my mentor is YouTube videos, dude.
What's up?
Forex
Hanging out
Jimmy Lee
down the
is
street.
here.
The same old thing we did last week. The thing to
Dude, we have
do.
NFP here in like 2 minutes here, right?
Let's
Oh no,
talk
15.
to you.
Jimmy is here, guys.
Oh, alright. Y'all gonna get kicked if you're talking shit.
Guys, the soccer player has here. Where's your soccer jersey, bro? Put it on.
Damn, bro.
Bro, a billion.
Jimmy's got his finger on the trigger right now.
Yeah, he got a soccer
Bro,
jersey.
$1 billion
Trying to
to
catch some
trade
bodies.
Messi. Did you guys see that?
No, I didn't see it. What happened?
$1 billion to trade Messi.
Messi?
Canadian, yeah.
But that's what Barcelona's
That's
asking.
the contract?
€1 billion. 700 euros. That's crazy.
Damn.
Holy fuck. $1 billion?
But that's-
Like, wait, like towards him, his salary?
No, just to get his rights to.
Like,
Bruh.
they have to give Barca $1 million and then they get Messi.
Yeah, 700 euros. That's nuts, man.
Bro, LeBron is not that much.
And reporting live
And they
from
still have to
Manchester
pay Messi.
United.
Yeah, right.
You
They still gotta pay that salary.
You're getting kicked.
Yeah.
You're getting kicked. Manchester jersey on. You're getting kicked. You're getting kicked.
Yeah, guys, Jimmy's my mod here, my number 1 mod here. If you know, if anything goes wrong, he'll kick you in a second. So yeah, he's on he's on the finger though. He's on a trigger finger. So he's quick at it. So if you guys, you know,
Trigger
careful,
fingers itching,
careful
bro.
what you say in the streams here. Hold on, what is this? If JJ breaks 147.20, would you consider entry even though you already made 3 entries? You should fix the title, by the way. What's the title again? Oh, part 2. Oh, I should change that. Yeah,
Oh,
you're
did I
right.
disconnect it?
Yeah, that was yesterday, part 2.
Is NFP going to? Yes.
Everything else is right? Yeah, below here, below here is nice sells, guys. Below here, below support, below 149, no, 694 is very nice sells. I'll say wait for that to happen if you're looking for sells here. I'll be a few here to enter sells, but I don't know if I'll enter. I'll see. You know, I don't know. I entered 2 trades today, but let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens here.
Yeah. Oh, I don't see any type of eyes.
Yo, I don't know why. Like,
So-
I had a feeling with the Tesla split stock thing.
Yeah.
It was gonna like drop before even going back up because just way too overhyped. Like, mad people. I don't know.
Yeah, people are just trying to rip off.
Yeah,
Before you know. it
Someone's
goes
on a
back
chart.
up.
Someone's on a chart.
But no, it's gonna go back up like crazy after
Yeah, nah, I'm waiting
next
on
week.
like.
The battery day. They're just waiting for battery day, so that's like a week
Oh,
to
yeah?
go. Yeah, because that's when Elon talks to the investors. That meeting.
I was
Gotta
thinking
make,
about
like, his big enough.
entering.
Yeah, probably answer like a day or a few days before it happened, or like a week before, and then hold it.
Yeah, I was gonna see how like the market is gonna like react and like
Oh.
on Monday. And things like that. Pre-markets,
Hold
I
on,
think so.
hold on, wait, guys. I gotta answer the question. I haven't answered it. My bad, guys. I went on. What are lot sizes that I use? If you check my Instagram page, it's usually around like, I don't have it up, but it's like 8.0 pretty much. Today I answered both trades on 8.0 lot. Yeah, usually 8.0, nothing above. I'm still struggling. I've been trading 8.0 lots for months now. I'm still struggling at that point. Like I upgraded from like a 5, 6, 7 to 8, and I just been stuck at 8. I can't really go to. It's kind of hard to go to 10 here, but yeah, I've been stuck there for a while.
Yeah, Mike Ross. Oh, I've been closed out position. I'm gonna wait for like a better price and then
Wait.
enter again.
Someone sent a chart. There it is. Whenever you guys send me a chart, just at me so I see it. Like so it highlights it for me. Thanks, guys. Okay, so what do you have here? You have USD JPY here. You got 30-minute time frames here. You're looking for closes above this candle for a clean traffic move here. So that's where your TP is, right? As I see. Only problem NFP, yes. Yes. Tentacles make sense though, but hey, tentacles sometimes does line with the fundamentals, right? But yeah, I'll say wait for news to come out first. Like, you know, maybe try buy stops above here, maybe above that, those clean traffic candles coming up to this. That'll be your buy stops maybe for NFP. But I'm not really the type of guy to have buys and stops on NFP. That's just not me, right? But that's because that's more of an aggressive entry for me. But yeah, you could maybe attempt that. But this is clean. This is very clean. Tentacle was. Okay, so what else did I miss? Did I miss anything? Jimmy, how's the Tesla trade? Oh, he answered it already.
Oh,
Jimmy,
yeah.
Don't kick me. I'm his favorite. Well, last I used answered it already. How do you correlate lots of account size? Oh, well, as long as you're just try to do your own thing. Sure, that's obvious by now. I mean, hey, did Roger last stream today? No. Did he, you know, how did I catch you sales today? My breakdowns. So I don't know where, you know, we got that from, but hey, all love, peace and love. Would you wait for can close below to support taking selves? Yes, below support you can take nice selves coming down here. But man, GG expect exactly as expected today. We waited for everything and everything just perfectly played out. Like we expected this to come down for NFP, and as NFP came, the only last thing now is that NFP is gonna come out, and I'm expecting it to continue further down, right? But like, let's see. I'm waiting for a closure below the support to enter selves. Just gonna. Okay, miss all that. Damn, bro. This is a lot of chat to read, man. Damn, we used to get like 4 messages, guys. Crazy. How do you correlate loss to account size? I think you could just risk 3% per trade, max. Right? Man's on Raj's nuts. Hey, bro. People, you know, all love though. Hey, almost at 350 viewers. Yeah, bro. Appreciate everyone. How do you correlate losses? Can't say that already, bro. What's your record? My record? You could check all the streams to see my record. I'm not sure. 80% actually plus though. You can go check all the streams out and calculate it. You got a job? No, I quit in October, bro. I am a full-time trader now. Just last stream every morning. I trade from only 3 hours a day though. Well, on the streams, that's how I trade. I don't really stream trades after the streams. You guys probably know that. You got a job? No, I don't. Cap flow. So the bird came from thin air. I worked before, bro, and I've made some tough decisions in the past where I flipped accounts. I mean, I saved up a lot from work. When I first started, I started to flip accounts. Obviously, I blew a lot of accounts, but I mean, why do I know where the capital comes from? Yeah, bro, I've been working for like before this. I'm working for like 2-3 years before this. I'm still young though. But yeah, the bread they come from thin air. If you want to see that. I think your runner was closed by 1 pip and the price goes to about 140. That's nuts. Yeah. I mean, hey, it's whatever. I'm fine with my 2 trades today. I'm perfectly fine with it. It's fine. Plus, young as fuck like me getting that much capital to use a lots. Good job over rich parents. First of all, my parents will never give me money to do this. Bro.
I knew that shit was for the call.
I am
Sooner or later,
Vietnamese. I am Vietnamese, bro. You think my parents will, Oh, here's 50 racks here. Here, go ahead. No, bro, it's not gonna happen.
And we yang nah.
Is there Chipotle?
What's up?
Is there Chipotle in Canada?
Yeah, bro, there is.
That's funny.
Yeah, bro. They don't do
What'd you do the rest of the day? Study? Oh, hell no, bro. Hell no, I'm not burdened to this stuff. After around 8, after around 9ish, I'm just doing whatever I want to do. I'm usually on playing Warzone. Might go on a bike ride. Might just chill out with my friends. But like, I'm not gonna be on the charts after NFP. It just doesn't make any sense, right? It's like saying this: you go to work, boom, you go to work, finish work. After work, you're standing in the front, like, you punch out, go in the front, you're watching your coworkers work, like, oh, I wonder what they're doing today. Oh, nice. You're stacking that over there. Oh, nice. Oh, we're printing some papers out. Like, there's no point of you just finishing work and just standing in the front watching your coworkers work, right? It just makes sense to just call that day and go home, right? You're not gonna sit in the car and sit there and just wait. But yeah, try to trade as minimum as you can every day, as minimum. Like these 2 trades, sure, it was easy. Like, it's not easy, but it was simple, right? It was simple, it's basic concept stuff. But you gotta understand those trades. Look at that time though. It's like it was like around like pre-New York to NY Open at that time, and at that time there's a lot of volume coming in, and the trade just makes sense at that given point. But if you try to attempt the same trade at 5 p.m., most likely it's not gonna play out, right? It's 5 p.m. So you gotta know your kind of like your window to trade. What job did you do? I worked in a grocery store, bro.
getting trading.
I would pull up the letter I had when I quit, but I lost it. I try to find it, but I can't. Are you Indonesian, bro? I'm Vietnamese, bro. Non-farm hero? Yeah, non-farm hero in 7 minutes here. NFP. What your opinions? Yo, chat. Let me know what you guys think about NFP. Let me know if you guys think it's gonna be a buy or a sell for $1. Strong or bearish? Let me know.
Full margin.
What pair you select to enter?
Full margin on a Friday on NFP. Are you? You know what? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. Having to go. I don't know. Look at it.
Yeah, first ride of the month. Yeah.
I don't know.
NFP. Oh my god, this is a lot of chat, bro. I think I don't think I'm done reading it, but I scroll down, it's like a whole list. Don't full margin. Yeah, don't go full margin. That's just something you do not want to do. If you're going full margin, you might as well head to the casino, bro.
Damn, I missed my.
I mean, hey, it's your account, right? You can do whatever you guys want to do at the end of the day. Get out of GJ. I'm not in GJ. Hahaha. Laughing emoji. People coming here to provide reserve value, stop hating, give credit where it's due, and help yourself. Yeah, man, we've been streaming for like a couple months now. 1 minute strategy on NFP? Oh, 1 minute. I am waiting. Is that the strategy? Where's the video, Jimmy? Pull it out. Where's the video?
Alright, we got 5 minutes. Let's go. These are fundamental big lots. Damn.
We got 5 minutes. I'll show you guys a video. Don't be this guy on NFP. I have a video here. It's funny. Don't be this guy though. I was once that guy too, and I have proof of it. I'll show you guys one day in the future. But don't be that guy.
Damn. I lost it. Hold on. Look. Oh, I got it. Alright, I'll put it in the live stream thing.
Alright, cool.
Nah. I was gonna join him, but I didn't feel like doing it. I'm tired, so. Oh hell no.
Oh my god, yo guys, if you guys are joining the stream, leave a like, bro. 400 viewers, bro. Hit a like, bro. Hit a like. My prediction for today for 400 viewers was correct, as well as my trades today as well. So leave a like, guys. 300 viewers, 370. I think we can hit 200 likes today, guys. Come on, hit the like button. 2 trades today. 2 key trades today. Okay, bro. What do you got here in the chat? Yo, 20-second delay. I don't know what it is. I'll try to fix it next stream, but it's usually a 1-second delay. I promise, bro. I would not leave a 20-second delay. Oh, Matt. Okay.
Yeah, play it. Here.
Where's the video? Where's the video? Where's the video?
I just
Where's
put
the
it in
video?
live stream. Go.
Oh, live
Damn,
stream chat?
TA is shooting. Hold on. Damn, that's strong.
People, guys.
Don't be this guy.
This is fundamental people, guys. This
Oh
is
my
real.
god. How do you
Mr.
even pop a
Fundamental
10?
people. Seconds are mini.
Standards are minis, apparently.
Mr. Fundamental people. Mr.
Oh, it's
Fundamental
on the video,
people.
bro. I'll put it on the screen.
Mr. Fundamental
It's on
people,
the
guys.
screen.
I'm waiting. And I'm so scared, guys. I won't lie. I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now. Mr.
on
Fundamental
closer.
people. I'm super scared, guys. I'm super scared. Mr. Fundamental people. I'm super scared, guys.
Oh my god, bro.
Mr. Fundamental people, I'm super scared. I'm super scared, guys. I'm super
Fundamental
scared,
big
guys.
nuts.
Bro, don't
Yeah,
be
fucking burn.
don't be that guy, bro, today. Don't be that guy.
Bro, you're fucking burned. Like me. I got burned all week. I'm not even gonna hold you. But that dude got fucking burnt like that. That's crazy.
So, what pair would you do a bias? If you're trading NFP, guys, I'll look at the dollar pairs, man. Euro USD, GP USD, USD CAD, those pairs, right? Let's check actually. What should we
Bruh,
look at?
I might go in.
I'm not gonna
Oh.
take any trades directly on NFP. I'll get the news and I'll kind of like move with it. You know what I mean? Afterwards, like get the leftover pieces. But you're not gonna see me have buys and sells ever. You're not gonna see me do that. It's just not my style of trading at all. I tried in the past. Didn't work out obviously for me. But hey, let me know in the chat, guys. What do you guys think? You guys think it's gonna be a buy or sell? What do you guys think? Let me know.
Thoughts would be nice.
400 viewers, let's fucking go.
1 minute to go.
Yep.
So they're forecasting 137.
Oh shit.
Last time it was 173 was previous. We'll see.
4 more to go. 4 more to go. Oh shit, 400. Let's go, baby.
You hit it?
Yes, sir. Full 3.
Man, everyone wants to see what GJ here. Let's see. What should we look at? US 30? Let's look at US 30. Let's see what happens. I'm not answering any stops, by the way, guys. I mentioned this already. You guys know that. $15 seconds. Wow. Okay, let's see here, guys. Ooh, news have came out. Let's see. I am waiting. Let's see here. What do you got here? Okay, so it looks like nothing has happened so far. Look at this count is gonna push up here. It looks like that's gonna happen here. Oh, let's see. Our numbers come out. Let's refresh the page. Let's see. We shall see. News came out positive. Oh, this photo come out though. Let's see. This photo is very important here. News came out good. Looks like news came out good.
Nice.
Hold on, let's see. This looks like a shit NFP. Yeah, news came out positive here. Last photo came out positive.
Damn, what the fuck? Yo, look at gold at the 1 minute. Right, this bar looks like
gold
a freaking
for rude whipsaw here. Oh,
Bro,
lord.
God. Yo,
90 pips to the upside. Holy
nice.
shit, before he came down. I think news came out.
Bruh,
Yeah, news came out
this is-
positive. News came out good today.
Whoa.
Pretty much what they
Oh.
forecasted.
Yeah, pretty much what they forecasted today.
Well, whoever's in that
Wait, no, did
US
they?
30 cell,
Oh no.
days,
Yeah, this one.
yeah. Nah, there's
And
no
this
way.
is the reason why I don't really do stops right? If I had a stop here on gold, I would have got stopped out here, right? Because a lot of things NFP is like there's a lot of whips that come in right before the market releases the news. You know, forward margin sells for, oh my god, honestly, this full margin in the chat, bro. Did anyone just enter any trades there in the chat? Any of you guys enter trades?
Oh shit got smoked if you fucking try to fucking play against the trend.
How does Steve even catch that 60 pips? That's crazy.
Who?
The guy in the chat caught 60 pips. I already know how you do
on
that.
On gold?
Man. Yeah. Like it pops up and pops down like, I don't know.
Bruh.
He might have Celsius down here maybe. Like Celsius maybe down here. Because they came up before, right? Before, after it just came down after. You might have just had Celsius below here, but like that's still like your stops are like, bro, that's 120 pip stop loss, bro.
Dude, Steve's a fucking alpha. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro.
What's his Insta? Let me follow.
Can't wait to see your layup, bro. Looking nice.
Man. God damn.
Alright.
Anyways, shit. How did GJ do here? GJ looks like he just rejected out of this level here. Yeah, guys. So I was looking for sells below here. Let me just put it here to make it clear. Sells below here. Because now you have a range, right? You have to understand what a range is, right? You have a range now on GJ because pretty much we knew that this was gonna be a range because this is the first we pretty much tapped the support level. So every time you tap a support level, you have a range that's formed, right? Because the first time we enter the range is much different than after, because now you can officially say this is a range. But the first time you enter the range, this is clear traffic coming down here. So that's why GJ did what I did earlier, as he got sells earlier. But now if you look for GJ, you now have a range, right? Your range is pretty much from this support to this resistance, right? So I'll say if looking for buys or sells on GJ, wait for breaks above here or below here today. That'll be your buys or sells on GJ. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really looking for any buys today. I'm just gonna look for sells. My sells will be specifically below this level though, once the support breaks here. Alright. But yeah, shit. This is this is a shit NFP though, honestly. This wasn't the greatest NFP here. Not much happened here. I've seen way better NFPs, man. Let's see though, because you know, thing about NFP is like news comes out, does whatever it wants to do, and then later on, it would just markets would just adapt to it. It would just continue the trend or whatever, right? Yeah, that's why I was saying I try to catch the leftovers for NFP and not just try to catch the initial move. I shop 100 pips, fam. You not full margin, fam. Everyone joking about full margin, man. Y'all need to relax. Mo pay me my phone bill talking about I caught 400 pips. Enter gold buys for NFP with 20 pips. Full margin cap. What? What?
I don't even know.
I didn't take no sells here. I didn't take a position here. I said I was reading the chat, man. Come on, man. Come on. You think I'll take sells here, man? You think I'll take buys and sells here on this trade? No, I told you I'm not taking any positions.
My
here,
god, it's one bar. If you just caught like
full margin cap, I never mentioned anything. I was reading chat, bro. I did not
like
go full margin.
120 pips in a minute. If you caught it at that area.
Look at UCGPY. What's happening here? Ooh. Oh, who sent that chart earlier? Send it again. Oh, right here. So someone sent a chart earlier, and I mentioned I'll take buy. I told him you can take buys above this wick here, right? Because look left, that's clean traffic coming up to this TP. So what is this? 30-minute time frame. Let's see how it looks there. 30-minute time frame above this wick, right? Yeah, pretty much tap this TP level. I mean, if he took the buys and sell stuff, then yeah, because this chart makes sense. I'm not the type of guy to take buys and sell stuff, but in this scenario, this would make sense if you were to look for buys. Because look at the trend; it's currently heading up, and if you break this resistance here, we're most likely gonna shoot up. Look left, that's clean traffic, right? So from a technical side, it did make sense. His chart did make sense. And I'll say, yeah, if you caught the trade, you caught the trade. I'm not sure what happened though. But man, yeah, that's clean. This is like a nice like a 10 pip move could have caught here. Okay. Yeah, I guess I used GGC Giraffe was clean. 20 pip move. Nice 20 pip moves. I don't know why, bro. This 20 pip move looks like it's like an 80 pip move or something. Yeah, it was a bad NFP. It was a pretty shit NFP, to be honest. Old gold till 1920. I'm not in a trade. Did it do the range all week? Wasn't that range this week? I mean, it was just Monday was a bank holiday, so markets kind of like Monday was technically your Tuesday this week, pretty much. That's all that was. Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, today's technically your Thursday, right? Because it's NFP. Attacking me, you want me banned? I'll send you 5 pips, baby boy.
Yeah, these guys got a serious love-hate relationship going.
Right, bro. Yeah, arguing like a freaking.
Hey, all I'm gonna say, guys, is this, bro. Yeah, see this? What is this? It's all love.
Throw them both in the trenches.
All love, bro. You know, you guys don't understand, bro. We're all humans, bro. We're all like we all love doing the same thing here. We all love trading here. Like, what's there to hate about? You know?
Why? Why?
Like, what's there to hate about? You should be trying to like give each other, you know,
positivity, bro. It's all just linked to already going out in the world.
Yeah, bro.
Why make it worse?
Like, we're all kind of like a community here, like this forest community, bro. And that's why the community is so toxic, because a lot of people are just like, oh, I caught this, you caught that, you suck. I'm better than you. I caught 20 pips.
Fucking trash. You're fucking garbage,
yeah, like,
bro.
and it's just like, oh, I have a car, you don't got no car. Who are you? Everyone has an ego, right? It's this industry. Everyone has such an ego, and it's just like.
I live in a mansion. You live in an apartment. Huh? Level up, little bitch.
That's why this Forex industry is so aggressive. Even when it comes to recruiting people in IMO, they're even aggressive too. Oh, you want to stay broke your whole life? This and that? You don't want to sign for my IMO thing? This and that? Like, it's just everything's just so toxic, bro. And it's just like, bro, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say is peace and love.
For sure.
That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm still dead.
Like, nobody cares if you caught 500 pips today, and the other guy caught 20 pips. Like, nobody cares, right? At the end of the day, like, if you caught 500 pips, congratulations, whatever. That's just not my ideal goal every day in trading. Like, I'm not gonna try to catch 500 pips every single day of my life, right? I'm trying to catch 10 pips every day. So like, I'm gonna continue to do what I do every day, and you continue to do whatever you do every day. At the end of the day, we're all eating at the end of the day, right? You know, this makes sense for me, that makes sense for you. Do what makes sense for yourself. Type thing.
Damn, Euro USD is sinking.
Your USD is crashing?
Yep.
Let me check this out. Oh my days. Rejected off this resistance. Yep.
Damn.
Looks like we're yeah, it's just
I think GJ is gonna continue going to the downside.
yeah, I'm waiting for the support to break, man. Once the support breaks, it's gone.
Oh.
But let's see here. It's kind of like hasn't done much since NFP, right? Snipe in a bag, real pips. Yeah, real pips. Whatever real pips is to you. Real pips to you could be 10 pips. Real pips could be 1,000 pips, right?
You know what, bro? How about this? How about literally?
Wait, hold on. Who is Iron Man is talking to right now?
Steve.
Oh, he called me a scammer. I'm not keeping up. I don't know. You guys know the story better than me here. I don't even know the story in my own chat.
I don't know no stories. All I know is I talked to Iron Man. He's a cool guy. I don't know Steve. Yeah.
Oh my God, eating prime steak. Oh, you know what? I'm eating Wagyu beef. Come on now.
Wagyu little bit.
Guys, should I hold sell GP 141.068? 141.068.
I'm eating some lobster langouzina right now. You don't even know what the hell langouzina is, like that boy.
I mean, yo, to answer that question, VB, if you should hold it, if you're in a trade already, just put your stops to entry. I think you're like what? What is what I'll do? You're like what? About 20% profit here? Yeah, close half, close partials, and let their position run to your next TP level. I'm not sure what you thought of this, what you base the trade off of. So I don't know where your TP stop loss is, but just maybe close a runner. That's what I'll do when I'm 20% profit. Close half, let the runner go to your TP. I mean, a logical TP level could be the support down here. That'll make sense, right? You are all okay with him going kind of scam, right, bro? I'm not even keeping up the chat, bro.
Bro, how about this? Y'all just talk that shit out like on Instagram or something, bro. Just go on each other's Instagram, message each other, exchange Instagrams or whatever. Just talk it out, bro. Don't bring that shit here, bro. You just flooding the chat out with that lame ass shit.
You guys are name what you guys eating? You know what I'm eating? I'm eating organic fruits and veggies. Come on now.
Man, just eating nuts, Eli boy.
I think today's the biggest day of the week, to be honest. 22 piss today on the streams. Probably the biggest day of the week.
This is like Soldier Boy and Famous Dex on IG Live right now. Between, like, yeah, can you chill out? Time out, bro. Go sit in the corner real quick. Cool off. Hey, Paul.
Guys, keep it positive in the chat, guys.
Get that nigga shit out, man.
Alright, bro. Can I get some charts, guys? Come on. Where's, you know, I started stream with a nice education that this chat started getting crazy with 2 people, and now it's just, you know. Yeah, guys, I think we could get a late move today, maybe. It's a Friday though. Remember that. It's a Friday today. And like, you know, Fridays are not the best days. If you get, here's the thing. If you guys had a good week this week, don't try to force another trade on a Friday today. Just go with a good week and just call it a week, right? If you had a bad week though, don't try to overtrade saying make those profits back. Make the losses back. Because what's gonna happen is Friday will eat you up. Friday is not the best day. If you're gonna over leverage, I wouldn't recommend over leveraging. But if you're over leveraging or overtrading any day, I'll say not a Friday. 100% not. Like, just don't try to overtrade on a Friday, right? It's not the best thing to do. 1 or 2 trades if you can, whatever, max. I should have took 1 trade today, but I took 2 trades today. That's alright though. But yeah. Oh, someone's saying chart. Nice. Some nice charts we got here. GPUSD 1 hour time frame. Misses the movie because I was in GJ at the time. Buys a 15-minute close above. Potential target. Sells below 15-minute spot. Moose sells breaking close 8%. Oh, this is a nice chart. You have nice everything outlined here. This is very clean here. Yeah, you have this is clean. I should use these lines are clean. I should use these lines as well. These little lines over here. Those dot lines, those are clean. But yes, what I mean though. You know, this industry, you should be able to learn off everyone. Like, even if you're a new trader, like for example, like Jimmy was he's a new trader to me, right? He learned off me, but I can also learn off him in the future, right? It's about the next generation, you know, about growth. But yeah, like see this chart right here, same thing. I can learn off this. Like I can learn off using this line here that I never thought of before in my life. I never thought of using these lines here. I'm gonna use this idea now. But yeah, you see how that he learns off me. He took the idea and now he adapted with it with better lines. So is stream up? Yeah, it's up, bro. Oh, hold on. I think buys. Yeah, buys will be above this resistance, and I'll see sells below there. Look left, clean traffic. Yeah, this chart makes perfect sense. Good chart, bro. Nice chart. Very clean chart. Probably one of the nicest charts we got today. That and a USD JPY chart was pretty clean today. But this is a very organic chart. Very organic. Love it. Oh, for a day, thank you guys. See you Tuesday. Yeah, bro. See you Tuesday. Is Monday a holiday or something?
Yeah, Monday, Labor Day.
Oh, for America too?
Yeah.
Oh,
bro,
shit.
It's our holiday.
Nah, bro. It's our holiday.
It's our holiday.
It's our holiday.
It's our. This, me and Don Faye go on IG Live and talk shit to each other.
I mean, the pound is open on Monday. And the yen.
That's how that matters.
Pound and yen is open.
Pound and yen. That's the only thing that matters.
We're trading GJ, right? So let's see. There might not be any NYSE push though, like volume though. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if I stream Monday. I'm not sure. Tuesday for sure though. 100% Tuesday. Don't be sad. I saw your story.
No, I'm good.
He's good, bro. What happened? We could just throw live results. That will solve it. I'm good. Paulo Berry, is stream up? Did you buy Freak Friday? I told y'all. You told me.
Jimmy,
You also told me. Oh yeah, go on.
No, it's nothing. I was just telling Jimmy that I recorded this video yesterday. I was gonna send it to you, and then my son just grabbed my phone and like swapped it away and started crying and shit. So I couldn't send it. But it was gonna be like a little message to you, man. I'll send it later on today.
No, I'm good.
No, it's nothing like that, man. Nothing like that.
Jim's gonna be like.
It was a funny message. Yeah, it was nothing like me in the corner. Don't worry. It was gonna be a funny message.
Yeah. GJ buy. I told y'all. You also told me GJ buys when it was here. I mean, everyone has their own perspective, right? You gotta think about it. Like, you can be looking for buys long term, and I can be looking for buys short term. My sell target could have been right here, right? And your buy target could have been all the way up here or something. You know, like everyone has their own perspective. So, great stream today. Amazing. Yeah, I had a very good time on the stream today. It was a very clean stream. Nice 2 trades earlier. I'm up 50% for the month. I won't cap. I've over leveraged.
Hey man.
50% for the month is actually pretty good.
As long as that withdraw hit now, today, withdraw it now. Now.
If you over leverage though, bro, yeah. I'll say.
Might as well withdraw it now before you get greedy and try to lose that.
Man, FX Samurai, man, come on, bro. I told you many times, bro, not to over leverage. What's happening, bro? I told you many times, man. It's alright. I'm in.
Yeah, I'm gonna just close my live stream. I'm not even changing.
Only way to go. Should we buy gold, bro? Gold? No, definitely not. This candle is a fuck you candle. Yeah, I got that from Wixon Live, by the way. This is a fuck you candle. He caused a fuck you candle.
Hearing Don curse is so fucking funny, bro. Cause this man got the most nicest voice, bro. And then it's like curses. It's just hilarious, bro.
Yeah, like I learned this candle from Roger, right? It's called a fuck you candle.
Yeah.
It goes up and it goes down.
You. It says it's called the give me your fucking money right now.
This is the WAP candle. This is the WAP candle. If you know, you know. The WAP.
The WAP, bro. WAP. Don't look it up for kids. All I gotta say.
Clean traffic gold did good. Wait, gold on a small time frame? Where? Oh, this on a small time frame. Oh, I didn't see this.
It's called the mink candle.
Oh yeah.
That's our shit. It's called a mink candle.
I mean, hey, we did tap support here. I'll say that. We did tap support. The only thing you gotta worry about now is I think this resistance. We could be head up to this resistance maybe. I'll say if you break back and set this range, guys, because this is your range, right? Your range is this. This is your range. I'll say if you want to take safe, because look, your stops for buys are fat, man. You have an 80 pip stop loss. This is big. I would say wait for buys in this range. You can catch a nice buy coming back in this range, and then also you can leave a runner going above it as well, or buys above here will be clean as well. Those two will be clean buys. Cause look left above this resistance. What do you have after? Wait, this is a 5-minute time frame. What the hell? Yeah, yeah, above there. And I guess like up here. This is your range. I'll say above here. You can take nicer buys, but I'm not really looking at gold buys or sells there.
FX Samurai. Hope you have a good rest of your week. Have a fun weekend, man.
I'll see you next week. Friend, be done for a day, man. See you next week. Yeah, bro. Appreciate all the love, guys.
See you next week.
Gold buys? No, I didn't mention anything about gold buys, man. 4 hours about to end. 4 hours about to close in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Momentous.
Minutes. I sold after the news, caught some pips and bought and the trade started, and I'm done in and out. Yeah, bro. I know people that trade like that too. Yeah. You profit today, bro. You profit today. You profited today. Bro, remember Jimmy? Remember before we used to have no chats, bro?
Yeah.
We used to have literally no one talking in chat. Nice.
It just used to be me and Don talking shit.
Talking in the stream and there's no chat, and now it's just like rapid messages. But yeah, I'm gonna try to read all of them. I promise some guy that I'm gonna try to read all of them. Some before said on Don, if you'll blow up one day, just make sure you read all the chats though. I'm like, yeah, I got you, bro. That was like a couple weeks ago too, so. We're at like what, 30 viewers, 40 viewers?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. See you next week. Yeah, bro. I'll catch you next week, bro. Okay, GJ, what's he doing here? 4 hours unclosed bearish here on GJ. I'll say for GJ to continue down today, I'll say this 4 hour candle needs to close below this range here.
See you next week, Mr. EDM.
Because look left, guys.
EMD.
My bad. What did you say, Jimmy?
Oh no, to that EMD. He said he sent it. I just said, all right, everyone.
Yeah, so yeah, GG guys, you need to close below this range here. If you close below 146.94 today, man, we're gonna head down towards 140.040. So if the stream ends and you guys see this move later on, like a 10, 11ish, you could attempt to sell, right? Just look left. Last time, look what happened. Last time price came back in the range. I got a burp. Last time price came back in the range, we filled it. Right, this candle right here filled it. So now it's considered clean traffic here. Look left. This is absolute clean traffic. Oh my god. This is absolute clean traffic here, right? Your focus should be this right here, and all you do is drag that across. You should expect the same thing happen here, all the way back here. But yeah, I'll say sells below there would be nice for a day, because this is your range. Let me list as a range actually. This is your range. Right? All love. I have 3 buy positions on go. Nice. This is really helpful though. Yeah, bro. I think you look familiar. I think I've talked to you before, right? I just lost 50% of my account, man. Why'd you lose 50% of your account? Tell me why. Why would you risk 50% of your account on one trade? Why you banned me? I never banned you, bro. You're still here. I don't touch the banned things anymore. I have a lot of moderators here that just do it.
We don't ban you. We just put you in timeout to cool off, bro. And you still come in.
Stop being biased, bro. I did not ban you.
We didn't ban you. We put you in timeout to cool out and spamming up the chat. But we're not even taking no bias. We're just here chilling, and you just going over here, going like crazy on Iron Man. Like, all right, bro. If he did do whatever you claim he do, how about y'all two, both of y'all talk this out like one-on-one instead of just flooding the chat with, oh, you're a scammer. This is like, bro, who the fuck cares, bro? We just here to chill and trade, and you're here to just go in on one person. Like, bro, chill out with that shit, bro. Shit weird.
You know that negative vibes, right? Oh, positive vibes.
That shit weird.
And
if
this
you got a problem with one person, bro, just
leave it.
Just
leave it, bro. Just leave it. This is just the industry, bro. Just leave it. Just leave it. This is my 3rd day. Oh, nice, bro. You've been on streams for 3 days straight. Yeah. Yeah. People used to be on streams for 1 day, and eventually they just continue on the streams every day, every morning. Like a lot of people here, like look very familiar now. They used to be new at one point. A lot of them came from their streams as well. So, whatever you guys. Hey guys, loving the stream. What time do you guys start and finish? We started at around 6:30 a.m. Eastern and finished off at around 9-ish. Go crazy, Jimmy. He wants to ban, so ban him.
I don't lose not cool like that, but bro, that shit is like you pushed it, bro. You just straight up pushed it. We didn't ban him. We put him in timeout to cool off, bro. Like, do y'all not get banning is when you see channel is hidden. Timeout is when you see user has been timeout for 3 minutes.
Wait, you banned? You can't watch the channel?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, you can watch it, but you can't type.
No, you can't watch it at all.
Bruh, I didn't know that.
I just put people in timeout. That's the most I just do now. Just timeout.
Hey, yo, GJ guys, we're currently breaking the support here. So man, I think 4 hours on close below. Right? I did say if the 4 hour close below here, you can look for nice sells here coming down. Just stop loss will depend on you though, cause I'm not looking for any trades, right? Wherever stops you want to put it. But let's see, we have 4 minutes left. Let's see how it closes. We have to close below this range here, below 146.94. By the way, Jay Nicole, you want to try on Warzone after, bro?
Yeah, I'm down.
I bet. Yeah, that's not too tired to
play,
bro.
I was only for like a few, actually.
Bro, I was up back testing, bro. Freaking tired. But I will never make the mistakes I did this week ever again, bro. That was the most enduring freaking back test ever, bro.
I got faked out in Asian last night.
Yeah, I got shit on all week. It's all good though. I see where I went wrong. For sure see where I went wrong.
Ooh, Ifty? What happened?
Yeah,
Wow.
no, I'm just saying I got faked out in Asian last night at 21:30. The little breakout candle.
Which
and then
one?
it popped back down. Go a little bit.
Wasn't opening right? I think.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Go back.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, what
And
time
then
frame? 30 minutes?
I let the 30 retest,
Yeah.
and then it just popped back down.
Wait, which candle? This candle?
Yeah, go a little bit more to the right. A couple more.
This.
Yeah, that big candle broke out, and then
oh, okay, yeah.
I let the green bull,
Mm-hmm.
and then I bought at the open of the after the bull candle, the small bull candle.
This one.
Yeah, I bought it right
after. Okay, I see. Yeah. Thing is, like, yeah, I think you're still on the 1 hour time frame. I think you're still in the range here. You know what I mean?
Yeah. The 1 hour closed as a bear, so that was my only concern.
Yeah, that might have been. Yep.
And then the daily, of course, was a bear. So I'm like, I knew what I was getting myself into. I was just seeing how it rolled out.
I mean, hey, that's how you learn from it, right? Because I'm pretty sure you learned from it by the way you explained it. But yeah, that's all right. Move on from it.
That's it.
That's all that is. Learn from it. Cause yo guys, like, there's a difference though between taking like a trade and not like learning from it versus taking a trade and learning from it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, if you're just taking trades and you learn from it, you're just wasting your losses. But if you actually learn from your mistakes, then you're growing off those mistakes, right? I'm trying to hop on Warzone. LO, send me a message. What streamer would you recommend for next session? Next session is what?
More section.
Control FX. Control FX. You know, no free promo. See, I ain't got the I ain't got these on right now. These are Astro headsets. I took these off cause no free promo.
Watch this. They try to give you a promo, but you're not winning anything. Simple, bro. See? You phoned the bag, Mr. Bo.
You imagine one day to give me a nice thing? Who knows? Maybe they give a lot of streamers them.
I think Don Vu's a minimalist. He looks like a minimalist.
Why? I'm at the beach.
Just no flashy brands, plain and simple.
Bro said I'm a.
Oh, are you sure? It said it's a drip guy. Check his freaking personal Instagram.
Except for those pants and stuff that he's been rocking, 4K pants.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm a minimalist. I'm a minimalist.
Yeah, nothing too blinged out and stuff. That's what I meant.
Yeah. I'm that for sure.
Next session though, I don't know who streams next session, bro. You can just you can search on Google real quick, whoever you want, on YouTube, who streams next session. The live at the time you check them out.
NYC.
Yeah, I think Train Paul is about doing it. I think yeah, Train Paul does it. You can check them out if you want. What was I gonna do here? Yeah, I think this countdown closure. I think I might end off the stream very soon here. I'm gonna wait to see how this countdown closes though. See if it closes below or above, but yeah, today's highlight video is gonna be nice. Nice little highlight video. I guess yeah, it closed above, meaning that I don't think sales are very ready. I think you need a closure below. So maybe at 1 a.m. candle, 1 p.m. candle. But at that time, that 1 p.m. candle's gonna close. It's the London's over, right? So there's no point in trading at that time. But hey guys,
have a good weekend, yeah.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Take it easy.
Later, WAP Club.
Later, guys.
WAP Club.
WAP Club. Peace and love. Appreciate all support today. If you guys haven't yet, leave a like on the stream. Subscribe if you're new. Follow the Instagram page. Check out the website if you guys want. But hey, all love. And I'll catch you guys Monday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, as per usual. Peace.
Yep. Warzone boys.
Yes, sir.